case of the single user license, if the installation process has been successfully finished and HASP is already connected to your computer, you can access the system directly after calling. Here from the system you can find out what type of license do you have. Use menu help about Oris accounting and then click to the HASP location button. Now on the screen you see that HASP is connected to a computer, and by clicking HASP license manager you can see the content of the license, and if here in the square brackets is indicated single user, so it means that you are using single user license, and you can also see the purchase date right here. If the license key is not connected to your computer, maybe you forgot to install the HASP, or maybe you are working with the network license at all, then after the system call you will receive the warning message. You see this message here, the HASP not found. In order to get access to the system, you should connect the HASP to your computer if you have a single user license, or in case of network license, you have to specify the address of the computer in your network which is directly connected to the HASP. Ask for this address to your IT specialist. Now you can complete this field and access the system. However, you can see this screen in different way. Close it here. The system will still be open, but you will access it without any data. However, from the menu help, you can get exactly the same screen that was appeared for the first time. Now you can specify the address of the license location, and you will be able to access the license manager. The system now will take information from the computer connected to the HASP. Now, here in this updated screen, you will find number of users, in other words, number of users licenses you have purchased, also acquisition date. And right here you see the number of users currently working with the system. And on the next updated screen you will find addresses of these users. Information about the location of the HASP device is stored in the Windows registers, so you can call the register management system, get it, and find address, current user, then Oris accounting. Exactly in this address is stored information about the HASP, whether the HASP is local or not, or IP address of the computer connected to the HASP. If there will be any problem with saving of this information, you can easily remove it and system will create it again. After a time of working with the system, maybe you like to update your license. You can do that in two different ways. You can bring the security key HASP in the Oris company and they will update it for you, or so-called remote update over the internet. Call the system, use menu help, about Oris accounting, and access the license manager. This process will take two steps. In the first step, you need to generate the license file, save it any place you want, send to the Oris company, and wait for an answer. And you will receive the letter from the company with special file in it. Take this file from the letter, save it, and click Update License. Then find this file, open it, and after a time, the license date will be updated. In case of network version, you can update the license in the same way. Run the system from any computer in your network, go to the same place, access the license manager, and execute the first step, generate license file. Save this file and send via email to the Oris company, and you will get the special file from there. Save received file and click Update License. Find this file, open it. Unlike single user license, you can update not only the license date, but also you can increase the number of users.